So this other Honda we have in the shop, the customer came in and complained that it wouldn't engage, the clutch wouldn't engage very well, or it would shut off and stuff. Well, we pulled the clutch cover off. You can see we've taken the disc and fibers out of the clutch basket now. Well, it turns out one of the discs had was broken apart and the parts were laying in there a little bit. So we've ordered another clutch pack for it. Obviously that's what you got to do, but I want to show you this other thing. Let me walk back around here. It's got a flat tire. So anyway, Tommy's working on one of our school bikes. All right, so there's the clutch thing. Now looking at it, you think that's one clutch. What it is, we laid the pieces of the clutch fiber disc up on here to see if we could match it up. Well, look, here they really are. But here's the bad news. We got those parts to match up on that. Let's see, I missed one here. Let's do it like this. Okay. A little puzzle to put together. But the point is, what we end up realizing is that there is one of those missing. One part of that is missing. So that means, let me walk back around here. That means that somewhere inside this cover here, hopefully the pieces are laying right there where we can get to them and it's not going to be a huge issue to pull apart. But we've got to pull off this big side cover, okay? Probably do something with the water pump, maybe rebuild it while we got it apart. It's always a good idea to do that. So anyway, that's what we're doing with this bike. Tommy's working on one of our school bikes there, just trying to get them going, make sure we change the oil like this oil. We try to change them twice a year. This was changed back in April or something. These bikes don't get used a lot, but they are scratched up. Yeah, they're used in the school, so they get pretty scratched up. This one has a flat tire too. So, but anyway, so that's that. There's another one we're working on. This is one that Tony's working on. He's not here today, but this had the top end gone, no compression. Well, it was a good reason for that is because it had been sucking dirt. We took all the intake and carburetor and of course the top end off and cleaned everything up really, really good. I would love to show you that piston. I don't know where it is right now, but that piston literally had dirt on top of it. You could feel the dirt that was on it. But anyway, we've got that button back up. It's running, but we're having a little starter issue right now, or stay running issue. And he's got to readdress that. That's kind of about what's going on today. Oh, let me mention one more thing I've got outside here. And that is this CRF 150R. It's the RB. It's the motocross version, so it's the real deal. This thing runs like a scalded dog when it's running. The customer, this is for sale. This is a customer's bike. He hasn't been able to. It's brand new. His daughter. He bought it for his daughter, and she rode it one time. We're going to auction this thing off, so I'm working on that right now, and you'll know more. You'll hear more about that as we go along. But anyway, it's an auction for this bike. We're going to sell X number of tickets. You'll have a pretty good chance of winning it. They won't be super expensive tickets. And see if we can't do that with this bike. As you probably have guessed or may know, if you're trying to sell something right now, the used bike market has dried up, and we attribute that to the economy. Of course, recession, inflation. Nobody has any money, and I was attributing it to the election year blues. We'll see how that plays out, but at least that's over with now, and maybe we can get back to normal or life, as they say. But anyway, keep a watch out for this. We're going to be posting this up on our Facebook pages and stuff like that. I'll be doing email emails to our people we have on our email list and stuff like that. But if you're interested in this bike, it's a great one. It's got no time on it. Everything's like almost like brand new on it. It's just a good bike to be get maybe, and with Christmas coming, maybe it'd be a good time to go ahead and take advantage of it. Well, that's it for me for today. I don't have much more to say. I can usually be a lot more long-winded than this, but anyway, you guys keep watching, and please like and share and subscribe and hit the notification button, especially hit that notification button so that when we do new videos, you guys will get a heads up about it. But again, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side.